Okay, we're back at 4 Marks Bowls Club on the bowls green, so I'll be quick, won't ramble on. Can you see me? Or have I disappeared? Now you can see me. Just a joke. Lots of weight loss, super happy. Your body is a temple, right? So we're back here, loads of worm casts since 1 week. It was exactly 1 week that I sprayed the iron on here. It has darkened off. I put 6 kilos out, 5 grams square metre. Maybe underestimated that, maybe could have gone with 7 kilograms or 7.5, but I've got to go with this. It has tanned it off. I would have liked it darker. I just didn't want to damage the grass because we got a match end of April, so we've got to get on, a lot to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power rake it using the Allett Kensington 20B. I have the spring power rake in there, and I'm going to tickle the moss out. I've got my bags over there, one bag there, because I think as I do a run, I think I'm going to be emptying every run. So bag either end. I'm going to do 2 strips down the ends because I'm going to be power raking this way, back and forth. So 2 runs gives me a 40-inch or 38-inch, because this is 20-inch. It's going to give me 38 inches to turn, and that should be perfect. The worm cast. Why have we got so many worm casts? Just too much organic matter in here, spongy underfoot, needs a good scarify, but we can't do that yet. We're just going to gently tickling out the moss. That's what we need to do first, and then I'm going to hit it hard, maybe next weekend. Yeah, more than likely next weekend. And I'll film that. I'm going to film all the processes because it's going to be quite a transformation. If you like your bent lawns and your bent fescue, what better than a bowls green? I keep saying that. So yeah, let's get the drone up in the air. That will follow me hopefully, and I'll do some footage from the Allett so you can see what it's putting in the bucket and is it doing a good job. I'm going to run over these worm casts. It's not a problem because these worm casts are so sandy. When I scarify, I'm going to be scarifying at 90 degrees. So I'm going to have that in this lawn, on this bowls green, and these worm casts, they're just so sandy, so I'm not worried about creating little bumps because I'm going to fix that later on. I need to get this done, so let's go. First time for the Allett in 2026. I'm in my happy place, people. Don't forget, share, like, subscribe, hype it, all that jazz. Enjoy the video. I will be talking over it. It won't just be a hyperlapse or a time lapse. I will be showing you some onboard footage from here and from the sky. Let's go, let's enjoy. Okay, so I'm in position. I've just done this corner here just to help me on the turn, but I will be working my way. I'm actually going to do 3 down each end, and do you know what? I've left that in the garage with some fuel in. That's very naughty, you shouldn't do that. Do you know that started up first pull, choke, click broom, unbelievable. So really excited to do this. Hope you enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy this series of the 4 Marks Bowls Club on this bowls green. If you want to do a bent fescue, this is how to do it. It's going to be interesting, and just on this little bit here, it was amazing what I've collected already. So it's going to be a good result. That was a good dose of iron actually. It's just dehydrated it enough just to lift it out. So yeah, I'll point the camera down there. You'll see my 2 runs, and then no, I'm going to do 3 runs, and then I'll get the drone up and you can see it from above when I'm doing the other runs across the green. Right, so you're down there looking at me, but on that first run, absolutely perfect. Getting some necrotic growth out of there, clean that canopy up perfectly. So that needs to go in here. Not taking soil, have to be careful because it's sandy. It will take soil, so we have to be careful. And what I'm doing here is I'm not engaging the drive because I want to push it slower. I'm at maximum RPM to turn the spring rake as quick as I can, but I'm pushing it slow because if I engage the drive, it wants to go that speed. the Allett doesn't have an adjustable 3-speed gearbox, so you can't slow the drive down, and I need to slow it down because I want a better turnout on each section per square metre. So I'm going to get more revolutions by pushing it, a bit more physical, but I don't want to go over it twice. So I'll quickly show you what we're getting out. That's just one run down there. So I'm going to go back down there, put it in the bag. Remember, as it gets heavier, it wants to sit a little bit heavier. So be mindful that you've got your spring rake set not too low, because on this second run it's going to be a little bit heavier, nose heavy. But I'll show you. Look at all that. And that is black. Just because the lawn, the actual bent and fescue, is hiding the black moss in the canopy. So we're doing a good job. So let's keep going for the greater good, right? I'm so excited, guys. It's full spring. Don't get into that. It's not entirely spring yet, but have to get on here early because we've got a game. Let's go. So skinny, I'll have to, oh God. Lost so much weight, guys, I've got to do my new trackie bottoms up. All my trousers, expensive trousers at home, none of them fit. Can't afford to buy all that again, so we're going to have to buy a belt. There you go. Just one more thing, I filled this up right to the top on the neck, and not bad really, 25 quid. Thanks Trump, yeah. So the front roller is picking up a little bit, which isn't a problem because it's easy to push off. It's sandy as anything. So, but what that will do is that's going to raise the height, because that front roller determines the height of the spring tines. So clear that off. Once I'm going this way, it should be better. So we're back to our height. It's just common sense, guys. Just got to keep thinking. Okay, so that's 3 there, 3 up that end. I'm going to do this line, come back up there, and then start working my way back. And then we get the drone. Oh God, I'm so happy, man. What a place to be. And we are doing it for free. If we make £1 on the video, happy days. Obviously this is where the bowls fall down into the gully or gutter. I don't know about this game, but I know about lawns and greens. So with the Allett, because you've got 2 rollers, you can have an overhang. As long as you don't go more than 50%, you're not going to fall into the gutter, right? So with these machines, it's better because you can go right along the edge and have that overhang. Just go slowly, because you don't want to end up in the drink, right? It's looking good, guys. So with the spring rake, if you can get hold of one, even a 14-inch, depending on your lawn, Pomerania weed grasses, they really don't like that attachment, that spring rake. It stresses them right out. It's a good way of controlling them. People say you need a vertical mower, but they don't like a power rake up them, trust me. I've done it hundreds of times. Worth investing. Get on Marketplace, eBay. Might be a good thing. Always good to have tools in your arsenal, right? So, get the drone up. Okay, so I'm going to roll I'm not engaging the spring tines because I've done that line that way. We'll try and lay some stripes in this. So let's come back on the other way with the spring tines engaged. Okay, so you might see some gentlemen on the green. The greenkeepers of Four Marks Bowls Club have arrived. I need to crack on and get these lines in. Well, not the lines, don't judge me on the lines. Let's go, yeah? Because we've got a long, long walk. Come on, Mike, you can run now. Lost over 2 stone. Come on, son. Let's go. First pull. Every time. What a machine. Right, that's a long line. Right, so that as the first line was absolutely shocking. Yeah, I'm not great with a cylinder mower. Most of my lawns are lumpy bumpy. I tell you what, I couldn't mow a bowls green. My lines are terrible. Absolutely shocking. They're so bad, that's why you do double stripes, yeah, because then you can clean that wibbly wobbly edge and fix it. But today isn't about that, guys. It's about tickling all this necrotic growth, cleaning the canopy and getting some of this moss out before scarification. Fucking hate these bags. Let's go and empty this one. Okay, I'll put the camera on, I'll hold it and I'll show you what's coming out. Okay, so there's the shocking lines, guys. Look at that. That's why you want to do double lines, is you can fix the skinny ones. You wouldn't have that. I can do better than that, but it's not about that. We're just doing this to get that moss out. So I'm going to show you in here what we get. Okay, so that is all power raked, absolutely amazing. Good workout too, so happy about that. Have I got all the moss out? No, wasn't about that. It was about getting some of it out. Still got black areas in here, but we'll be back here scarifying, and then as I say, follow the processes on this bowls green, and we get the rest out because we need to put those grooves in. That was absolutely incredible. So what I'll do is send the drone up, do a 360 of 4 Marks Bowls Club, and you'll see the bowls green from above, as they say. Sorry about the lines, but that was a little bit tough. Some thick bits of moss coming out. I'll show you now on the screen, that was a lot of dead, and it was all just going to go into the canopy, more thatch, more problems. Still spongy underfoot, but that's what the scarification's for. This is like cleaning the dinner plate. All the twigs, all the necrotic growth, the dead matter, organic matter, we've lifted out. And as you see from that picture of that big pile of junk, I call it junk, that was all worm food. And that's why we're getting a worm cast. You've got to keep your canopy clean. So I will be helping this club free of charge, as you know. Might make £1 on the video if you spread the love, spread the video for me, because that helps me, and then I can put back into this club a little bit other than just the free labour I'm doing. But it's my community, I want to help my community. So fantastic, really enjoyed that. It was a good workout as well. 2 stone, 2 pound down, really happy. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hype it, share it, like, subscribe, all that jazz. So I'll see you next time, which I'll be actually scarifying this bowls green with the help of the staff here, the members, and we're having fun. We're enjoying ourselves, because that's what lawn care should be, whether it's a bowls green or you've got 20 square metre lawn. Treat it with love. It's your hobby, your little bit of perfection. It's your space, and our own space is very important at the moment. So look after it. Hope this helps you. We'll see you very soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Much love. Peace.